How does climate change impact penguin survival? Have you ever wondered how climate change affects the survival of penguins in the polar regions? These fascinating birds have adapted to some of the coldest environments on Earth, but they face serious challenges due to our changing climate. Let's break down how climate change impacts their survival and what it means for their future. Penguins are highly reliant on sea ice for many aspects of their life. For instance, emperor penguins use sea ice as a breeding platform. This ice provides a safe place for them to incubate their eggs and care for their chicks until they are ready to swim. Adelie penguins also depend on sea ice, as it supports a rich ecosystem filled with krill and fish, which are their main food sources. However, rising temperatures are causing sea ice to melt at alarming rates. This loss of sea ice has dire consequences for penguins. Without stable ice, breeding failures become more common. For example, in areas where sea ice has completely disappeared, emperor penguins have faced unprecedented breeding failures. The reduction in sea ice also means less habitat for penguins. They may be forced to move to other areas, which can lead to increased competition for food and space. This habitat loss is a significant threat to their populations. Food scarcity is another major issue. Sea ice plays a crucial role in supporting the food web. When the ice melts, the availability of food resources decreases, making it harder for penguins to find enough to eat. This can lead to declines in their populations over time. Different species of penguins are affected in various ways. Emperor penguins are particularly vulnerable. Predictions suggest that if current trends continue, over 90% of their colonies could be at risk of extinction by the end of the century. Adelie penguins, while somewhat adaptable, are also feeling the effects of climate change. Rising temperatures and reduced sea ice are causing their populations to decline, especially in warmer regions. To help penguins survive, conservation efforts are focusing on preserving their sea ice habitats. This includes reducing greenhouse gas emissions to slow down global warming. Protecting penguin habitats from human activities is also essential. The impact of climate change on penguins highlights the urgent need for action to preserve these incredible birds and their ecosystems. By understanding the challenges they face, we can work towards effective conservation strategies to ensure their survival in a rapidly changing world.